All right, here we go, mate. Well, see what this shit's all about. Say hi to the boys. Let's give you guys a look-see. You're gonna want to enter this one center, and it looks like stick to the right. There's some bigger rocks that are center and center left. When you guys get about up here, stand up on your kayak so you can see what I'm talking about. Say what up. All right, I don't know, this might be 8-foot drop. Might be the lead up to the 8-foot drop. To be honest, I was really baked when I looked at the map this morning. Woo! Your boy would love this trip, dude. Getting us some cold cuts today.
Cold cuts!
Woo! I'm guessing you see where that cliff goes down?
Yeah.
I'm guessing that's the 8-foot rapid.
Probably.
So that one...
That's a 4-foot drop, right? From start to end?
Yeah, that one I think is just barely a class 1.
No, that's a 2. On the map, they're all 2s. Yeah, they're all class 2s. It's a kilt lifter, so if you don't want it, I understand. Yeah, bud. Ooh, I'm so excited for lunch. I got leftover steak. Oh, steak and beef ramen. Oh, I mean, this would be a good spot if we had people around us. All those nerds are up front. That means we have to catch them.
So we're Ledge Rapid is next right after that. We've got lower ledge and lower ledge, and then there's Fossil Stop right after that. And this is where we camped. It was right here. And right here was the big rapid we went down, and this was the rapid we just went down just now. So coming up is Ledge Rapid. We've got Fossil Stop Camp.
So I've changed my setup slightly. The green bag over here now in the front, so I can easily access the camera. And then I have the red bag stuffed under my main camping bag with the camping supplies in the middle because they're pretty heavy and they're all strapped to the boat. Except for this has gone. Oh no, it's strapped. Yeah, it's strapped. Everything's strapped. I strapped it all. Anyway. Onward. River left. Sorry, I got distracted. Yeah, that was definitely 8-foot. That was a good time. Yeah, there's no one behind us. Get yourself getting stuck. Hope you turned that off.
River right. Yeah, this is 8-foot. Woo! Yeah, yeah! Woo, woo! Ow! Yow! Woo! That was a fun one. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but there's bighorn sheep up there. So again, this is the third day on the San Juan River in Utah. We are have gone about 12 miles, I believe. We're going like 27. So we're about at the halfway point right now. Probably right around here is the halfway point. Still got another day and a half to paddle. Dakota's on the raft today, and I'm in a kayak today, which is absolutely amazing. It's like feather light.
Oh, we're a little bunched up right now. Getting a little bunched. Harry is taking up the rear. Let's see if we can get a shot of Harry real quick. This is so crazy. It's a big wave. It's a big rock wave. Wow. If I want the inflatable insulator, I put it.
Oh, it's canyon. Dude, can you imagine if I had that on and like we showed up to the camp spot and I was in like a bright pink one?
Not that this is that big of a deal, it's a class 2, but it's always good to keep it in practice, right? Anthony's using the binocs. I used them earlier when I found a dwelling up on the Navajo land, the BLM side of the river. I was looking at those with the binoculars. I've got a pair of redheads right here. They're great. They're marine binoculars, so they can totally get wet. And they do get wet.
You should, you had a spare SD card in your case.
I'm gonna delete the footage from the last pre-quote. 58 minutes.
Yeah.
What?
And I had to do the same thing. I hate when that shit happens. I got you on film doing it. You were right in my frame the whole time.
Hi, buddy. Little velvety. Little velvety there, bud. Little muley. Yeah, he's a cute little muley. Sneaking up on us, mate.
Dude, I saw this guy at Beasley where the camp spot is when I went out there one time when it was high. He tied a rope to a tree and then had like a plywood board and he was just like surfing. Dude, and like, you know, like having it against the rapid. Dude, I was like, bro, we gotta do that.
You wouldn't care about the sun when it shines. The bad helps to define the good. The splinter is the cost of the wood. We all keep our demons in check. Don't have you worry about the sound of respect. You know that this song ain't true. Good, I won't forget about you. So take it all in stride. 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 You wouldn't care about the sun when it shines. The bad helps to define the good. Said the splinter is the cost of the wood.
many rocks. Oh man, there's more. Oh, this is a spot where they can come down. Oh, all the stacked rock? All the stacked rock? Yeah. It's like someone built a walk down over here. You see all the way along there?
We've got some goats over here, wild goats. Here at the fossil area, and pretty cool. I'm gonna start setting up my tent. I'll show you guys how I do it.
We're all getting packed. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning. I'm packed. My boat's very ass heavy today. Luckily both these coolers are empty, except for dry goods. Richard launched a bit early so that he could claim us a parking spot and get the shuttle bus that we drove over here to our pullout spot. Everyone's just gonna everyone's getting loaded, getting strapped down. Thomas is over here chilling because he's probably already ready. Yeah, Thomas is already ready.
Drip.
Drip, drip, drip. Dakota's gonna piss on you. I'm just kidding. But definitely he's gonna get dripped on by all the shit. It's pretty interesting to see how much weight you lose with food and whatnot. Because I did not have room for this earlier. I had a bag taking up this whole spot, which is now compressed down right there. And then this one has grown in volume because we're picking up all the trash and stuff and collecting all the trash we find. Yep, fun stuff. See you on the water.
Yeah.
Dude, I can't believe I spent 3 nights talking shit in there.
I know, right? I know. That's.
You're so blackmailing. You shut
He
your mouth.
fucking likes us. He's like, you
Yeah.
guys are cool.
He's cool. He's cool, dude.
did. I used some of them, so then I broke into the fucking thing. My plan was to do steak and eggs. Alright, sunscreen's on. Oh, those nerds haven't even launched yet. They're probably smoking weed. Doing drugs. Man, it is so pretty out here. Look at that. Ooh, so beautiful. Man, look at this. Look at this cliff wall here. Oh, viewers, so lucky you get to see this. Same, yeah. I have a 1.5 gallons right now on me, but I had this full thing, which is like 3 gallons.
Yeah, I still got that in the back.
Oh, yours is still full?
Yeah, I think I'm the only one that used any water out of it.
Oh, that's funny. Mine's been empty for 2 days. We used mine on the first night.